Don't throw away unfinished sweet potatoes. Put it in a glass full of water. It won't be long. White roots will grow at the bottom of the sweet potato. And then the buds start to sprout from the bud point. The longer the roots, the more absorbed by water. Sweet potato branches and leaves have entered a period of rapid growth. The first potato leaves that grow are fuchsia. This is because the new leaves have not yet formed. Color of chlorophyll, anthocyanins, and carotenoids. Displayed first, usually under the right conditions of light and temperature. Sweet potato seedlings will slowly synthesize chlorophyll. As the chlorophyll content increases, the color of the leaves will gradually change from purple to green. Look at hydroponic sweet potatoes like this. Be a green plant for maintenance. It's actually pretty. But hydroponic sweet potatoes only grow leaves. I want to grow more sweet potatoes. We can't plant it in the soil. Need to break the branches off the sweet potatoes. The land is loosened and covered with black plastic film. Then bury the sweet potato branches horizontally into the soil. Black mulch can effectively prevent weeds from growing. It also has the effect of heat preservation and moisturization. So my friends who live in the city want to experience the joy of growing sweet potatoes. What to do? It's simple. We can use these plastic baskets that can be found in the vegetable market. Plant in a small courtyard or on the roof balcony. We all know that sweet potatoes are grown with vines. Hydroponic sweet potato vines grow too little. If you plant too much, it will not be enough. This time, we raised the seedlings in the traditional way. Find a basket. Put on an old woven bag. Soil for seedling selection. Fine sand soil or loose nutrient soil. After leveling by hand, wash the sweet potatoes and put them on the soil. Finally, cover it with a layer of soil and water it well. We can prepare first the next container to be planted. These plastic baskets. It's easy to find in fruit shops and vegetable markets. If you often go to that store to buy, ask the boss how many you want. Usually it's free. Don't throw away these rice bags either. Mainly a waste utilization around the basket. To prevent soil leakage, lay some straw or hay on the bottom. Makes the soil more breathable. Prevent water leakage. It decomposes, it becomes humus. Can also be used as fertilizer. Soil is homemade nutrient soil. Use 5 parts of original soil plus 3 parts of sheep manure. 2 rice husks. There is also a mixture of rice husk charcoal. Loose and fertile. It is suitable for planting other fruits and vegetables. This little black cat is so clingy. Follow where you go. I always want to be rubbed to feel comfortable. After 20 days, the sweet potato vines cultivated before grew. Our Guangdong can generally plant in spring and autumn. No, when did you grow sweet potatoes there? Now cut out the healthy sweet potato vines. Cutting planting. Plant them horizontally into the soil. There's a knot under each leaf. That's where the branches take root and the sweet potatoes grow. It is best to avoid the time of the big sun when transplanting. Choose cloudy or evening. This way, the seedlings can slow down faster. The survival rate is also relatively high. The first watering should be fully watered. It's down to time. And after 46 days, the sweet potatoes are flourishing. Then we're going to put some organic fertilizer on the sweet potatoes, such as decomposed chicken manure, sheep manure, or cow manure. Add more soil to bury. Maximize fertilizer efficiency. Friends who like planting are generally hands-on. Here for beauty and space saving. I built a simple shelf for sweet potatoes. Hang the rattan. It can also make it grow better. Look at how strong this sweet potato vine is growing. It must be able to produce a lot of sweet potatoes. I'm really looking forward to it. After 92 days, when we see that the sweet potato leaves are a little withered, usually it's time to harvest. Cut off the sweet potato vines. Now is the time to enjoy the harvest. There are children at home. You can come and experience the fun of digging sweet potatoes together. Look at this sweet potato growing and big. Isn't it very beautiful? This breed, it's not the big round variety you get in supermarkets. It tastes pink and glutinous, has a special aroma. It's very delicious. After we dug up all the sweet potatoes, pour out the soil. See if any fish slipped through the net. Sure enough, there are still a few small ones hidden. After digging up sweet potatoes, add some fertilizer to this soil. You can also grow other vegetables. Did you learn it?